beautiful view. We made it. 14er time. Disco, disco. All right, Cody. Why don't you walk us through that elevation profile?
So we go down for like 100 feet, and then we go up.
2,700?
Back 3,000 feet.
This is pretty sick. All right, how do you say it? Bierstadt?
Bierstadt. We're going to Mount Bierstadt.
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 Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Only cool people use their hands.
I literally just walked through it, honestly. It was just safer to be in the water than it was to, yeah.
Cody. Dun dun dun.
Oh yeah! Let's go!
What a beautiful morning. This is the life, folks. Whew. All right. Just tried running a little bit. See how that was? Not too bad. 21-pound pack on with hydration. They're almost catching up though. Whew. Run it. Yeah! High five. Whew. Just ran up that. Still going. Whew.
Part 2.
It's bright.
Today we're scaling this 14er. We don't know if we're gonna make it. We're gonna try.
That's bright.
Everything's gonna be okay.
Lucy, go run this. Oh shit. True boulder
Well, that ain't good.
spirit. All right, you ready to lose? Go!
Oh, you just do a cartwheel?
A little over halfway. Feeling pretty good. Having some fun. The air is just so crisp out here. Really, really feels amazing. Good climb, not too bad. I think we're going up here. There's also a summit over here. We're making it. Good progress. You got this.
We're going. We're making it.
Say something really epic and encouraging.
If I can do this and not faint, so can you.
Feeling good. Trying to get some run in. Feel the burn. Getting a little cloudy. Not too bad. We are at 13.3. Got about 700, 800 feet to go. Having fun. Look at these savages. You ever just see a big mountain and you go, I'm gonna climb that? We'll do it. Summit. Getting there. Ange, feeling strong?
I'm so excited.
So we are on the final summit up to the top there. So as we get ready to climb this beautiful summit, I just want to remind you guys one thing. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. 100 feet to go. I believe in you guys.
Oh, we did it. Oh,
You just did your 14er. How do you feel?
oh my god, amazing. So good.
I can't feel my nose.
I can't feel.
Oh, I got handkerchief.
She made it.